help. I have about given up on vegetable gardening due to all the creatures. I like this. Raccoon, deer, bear, and turtles. Yes, bear and turtles. Instead, I decided to grow creature-resistant flowers. But now the flowers are inundated with powdery mildew, echinacea, black-eyed Susans, and bee balm, and measles peonies. Is there anything I can do to control or eradicate powdery mildew in my flowers? This past fall, I did cut off and discard the leaves on the peonies, hoping to control it. This is Claire from Mount Airy, North Carolina. So, Ms. Claire, yeah, raccoons, deer, bear, turtles. So, is there anything that she could do to control or eradicate powdery mildew, Ms. Kim?
Powdery mildew is usually sets in when we have these really warm, wet nights. And the best thing to do for that, you can spray, but once it sets in, it's kind of hard. So you want to do control it by spacing your plants so you increase the airflow.
Right.
That's probably the best thing. I've tried spraying like neem or something to hold that mold spores in, but as soon as you have a rain, but those wet, humid nights are what really gets it. So it's just a problem of gardening. But I would separate the plants a little more so you get spacing and so you get better airflow.
Okay, so good airflow.
Spacing, may look at some more resistant varieties of the bee balm. There's some out there that are newer that are more resistant to powdery mildew. Might try looking at that.
Okay. Yeah, so spacing them out, allow for good airflow. Yeah, because humidity drives powdery mildew.
Oh, yeah.
Right, it drives it. Okay. Now, if you want to use chemicals, I mean, there are some out there.
Yeah.
I like cultural practices first. Right, that's first. All right. Chlorothianil, read and follow the label, which is daconil. Sulfur, you can use, right? Read and follow the label. You have to be careful with sulfur. Okay, and then a copper-based fungicide. Right. Again, read and follow the label. Yeah. That's if you want to go that route. Okay, but yeah, culturally space them out, allow for good airflow. Resistant varieties, right? Not too much fertilizer. If you're going to water, not overhead, right? Water right at the root zone, right, of the plants. And Ms. Claire, I think you'll be fine, all right? Hope that keeps the bear and everything else away. Hope you'll be fine. Your plants will be okay. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.